Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term reach truck. It is a form of fork truck with the forward mounted load wheels that permit the fork carriage to extend forward for picking up or dropping a pallet or unit block of goods. Reach trucks are forklift used in narrow aisle applications such as warehouse. They are designed to have two outer legs that help distribute the load and set of wheels in the back. The wheels are located below the operator, which helps create a tighter turn radius. This allows operator to navigate smaller spaces and still able to reach higher racking. Reach trucks can be assigned to any warehouse fleet, allowing operator to easily navigate in and out of narrow aisles and reach a significant height, all while maintaining lifting capacity. In many situations, the warehouse space is a premium, especially in the urban center. So saving every inch of store space is very important. Whenever we are using forklift, generally a liberal turn radius is required, generally up to 3 meters. But if the space is precious, possibly you want to provide a smaller turn radius, for which these reach trucks are suitable. Also, to utilize the vertical space, you can go up to a taller range, and also heavier load can be lifted. So it's a part of warehouse layout design. Considering the location and the type of material you are trying to lift, there are possibility of various kinds of forklift with different kinds of attachment are available. So it's a part of a design experiment which has to be done very carefully, and suitable material handling equipment has to be selected. Thanks for watching. Bye.